This guys, well packaging, very nice packaging, very decent. The box also, I like it. Nag-unboxing ako guys ng computer para sa aking YT, para may pang watch to watch ako sa mga ka-vlogger, kapwa vlogger ko. Thank you for this, Lord, for this another blessing. Affordable siya guys, kasi I always following for the promo. May promo ang Malaysia, bibili ako ng computer. Thanks God for this. I like it. May free mouse na siya, pero kailangan kong bilhan to ng another charger kasi kakaiba din yung charger niya. Bibili ako ng isa pa. Thank you Lord for this blessing. Well packaged guys, actually I love it. Bigyan ko siya ng 5 rating stars. Thank you for this. Ang gaan niya guys, super gaan lang siya. Tingnan ko yung sa loob. Talagang nilagyan nila ng super sealed guys. Then tadan! Deal muna tayo kasi yun lang ang kaya kong ma-afford sa ngayon. At least cute siya guys, cute siya. Deal. Wala siyang ano guys, walang power. Kailangan ko pang i-charge guys. Yan. Yun lang. Thank you for watching guys. May new tools na ako. May kasama na siya. Yan. May kasama na. Thanks God for this. Thank you for watching guys. See you another vlogs. See you for another vlogs. Thank you. Have a nice day.